guys. Punta tayo ng Bali. I'll see you guys there. Just get it. Galit na naman yung bangs ko. Welcome to Malaysia. Nandito pa lang sila Jerison. Dito na kami sa mga monkey. Ang dami nga.
Akala ko binidyohan mo kami kasi kami yung monkey.
Hindi. We are walking here sa city center ng Ubud kasi we are gonna be watching yung Keka Park. I'm so tired. Let's plan again. What's up, guys? Guys, andito naman tayo ngayon sa Satria Coffee Plantation. Kakagaling lang natin doon sa rice terraces. And so far, nakapag-zipline na kami. And nakapag-swing. Hindi na lang kami nag-rent yung gano'n, yung dress na mahaba. I'll bring you guys later to the next activity. Bye! Sila yung natain ng coffee. They are called Luwak Animals.
They're good than people.
And this is skin of the mangosteen we use for the And in here, now let's go up to try some coffee.
Hindi daw ito. Ay, kanin na kanin.
Kaya ang sarap na ito. Para ko na nag-juice.
Uy, ang straw. Bumulong.
Okay na ko dito.
Ay, ako ito tsaka.
Lasa ang McDo iPhone.
Ayun pala. Ano ba ito? Ganito pala ito yung nagpataon nagpupuntik.
Naggato.
Lasang McCoffee.
Di ba?
Ito parang Cafe Blanca. Ano to? Coconut coffee. Okay. Ano pa ito sa dulo? Ano yun?
McCoffee yan.
Oo nga. Sa McDo na lang ang bibili. Ayun ito. Ay, very trend tayo yung lasa ng hot. Ano na. Cheers! Hi! Kakatapos lang namin sa Ubud Palace and we're heading to the market para mag-shopping. Ito yung so there, saan kami galing? Wow!
3.
Hi guys, so we are here in Handar Gate. Pila kami para mag-take ng picture dun sa famous na gate. According doon, meron ng 2 minutes para sa picture. Pagka hindi maganda yung mga picture na yun, bakit?
Hi Des, ang 6 na record ko na to. Pangat talaga ng sounds. Paarte music. Anyway, we are already here sa past ferry ng Arjuna and this will take us to Nusa Penida and that's our itinerary for the entire day. We plan to visit yung east at saka yung west side, yung mga famous spots. Obebok, yung private car with driver sa Klong to ensure na rin na, alam mo yan, hindi mo alam bakit mas prefer lang talaga namin yung private tour at saka yung console namin yung activity tour the entire day. Patalastas lang, alam nyo ba, ang boat namin talaga is 7 o'clock. Naiwan kami, be. Yun. Anyway, yun lang naman. I'll see you guys later. Bye!
Kapay sa lang ito.
Hi guys, we are already on our first stop. Mukhang mamamatay na yung mga umaakit, be. Hi guys, this is an ultimate hike. Oh, look at that! Ang init, be, pero naman, no? It's giving.
Oh, you look bago ka umano. Yan, di mo nag-record eh.
And we're doing another zip line. Look at that view. Hi guys, we're finished yung zipline and look at this view, ang ganda. We are already on our final stop, which is yung Kelengking Beach. Medyo may hiking ulit siya ng slide. I feel like hindi mo ito kasi hindi nung nauna namin pinuntahan. I'll just show you what it looks like here on the next video. Bye! Hi guys, andito na tayo sa Krishna Ole Bali. Pero good. Hindi ako nang papasakin ko para sa habang on the way ako dun sa susunod kong location. Pero hindi ko siya naiintindihan. Mani pala to. Allergic ako sa mani. Pero wala, na-open ko na. So, kakainin ko na lang. In fairness, hindi tayo makakurong sa helmet nila. Wow. Bahira. Medyo mabilis yung takbo ni Kuya eh. Ang guardian angel ko niyan, solid mag-break. Walang helmet. Tapos parang Fast and the Furious. Ito ko kwento eh.
マクトリップしたコーヒー飲み干してジャージ姿のまま散歩する近所当てのないまま
So, let's see if worth it ba yung pagdarasal ng aking guardian angel. We are now here sa Double Six Beach and we're just chilling. This is exactly how I imagine ending my trip. So grateful kasi alam niyo yung ma-experience ko to. I feel like every trip naman meron ganitong classic moment in which I would just sit down and think about all of the things that I've done and able to do and just feel so blessed and grateful. Ang ganda ng beach, ang lakas ng wave. Again, I really had fun in this Bali trip. Ayun.